All right, hello. My name is Ollie Solomon. I'm making this video as a testimonial for Dr. Jared, aka Movement Theory. And I guess I'll start kind of when the injury happened. It was about 2 to 2.5 years ago now, and I herniated 3 discs in my back from deadlifting and then re injured it further snowboarding. And always being an athlete in my life, it was a hard time for me because I was really going through a lot of pain. I had pins and needles going down my legs. I had very bad lower back pain, and kind of the flare ups would just happen all the time. And it got to a point where I couldn't work anymore. I couldn't drive my car properly, and I had to move where I was living in Colorado to come live with my family in Texas to kind of figure out what to do. And when that happened, I ended up going to surgeons, I ended up going to chiropractors, and I ended up going to a bunch of places to kind of figure out and see if I could help this issue. And to no avail. No surgeon worked. I never had surgery, but I went and visited with them, and they said this could be an option. I never wanted to do it. I did decompression therapy. Decompression therapy did not work for me. It actually flared it up pretty bad. And then I did chiropractic therapy, which also flared it up. So it got to a point where I really was at a place of no hope, and that's when I met Jared, or someone told me about him. I was actually at the gym, and someone told me about him, and I met him. And the first day I met him, I had a negative belief in my head that this wouldn't be possible. I'm not going to heal, but I might as well try because I have a little bit of hope. So we worked on and off for a good while. I'd say probably about 6 months, and the first 1, 2, 3 months were pretty difficult. I didn't see much progress, but there was a little bit. So there was a little bit of hope. My pain in my legs wasn't as bad after some of the sessions, after dry needling and things like that. But once I got to the third, fourth, fifth, sixth month, I really started noticing a difference in my pain, and especially in my belief. And I think that was a major factor as well, is really having faith that you can heal was big, because when you're in chronic pain for so long, you don't feel like it's possible. And Jared helped me realize that this is possible. You can heal from this issue. So about a month at month 6, I stopped going to him because I felt better. I started to feel better, and I could do things on my own again. So I'm not saying it's going to take that long. I don't know how long it'll take you guys, but that's about how long it took me. And I have a lot of faith and trust in him. As a doctor, I still go see him every now and then. I have a hip issue right now, so I'm going to see him for that. So, I highly recommend him to anyone who is struggling, or doesn't think they can heal. I just challenge you to have faith in someone who knows what they're doing and in yourself that it's possible. So, thank you.